Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Claude right here in VSCode. Step 1 is go to VSCode right here and make sure that you download right here the application. Step 2 is go right here to Claude, create yourselves an account and make sure that you bought right here the Pro license because that one is necessary to link this. And then after that, what we're going to do is we go right here to VSCode. And then right here, you will see this screen. Then what we're going to do is go to extensions and then we will add Claude right there. So we search right here for Claude and click here on install. Then we do right here, trust publisher and install. And now he's installing Claude right there. So we do right here, allow. And we search right here for live server. There it is. We click here on install, trust publisher and install. And then he's also installing right there live server. Then after that, we go right here back to this file because we need to open a folder because Claude will work in that folder, will do all the work for you, but you need to create yourselves a folder. Then we click right here on open folder, right mouse click new, and we create right here a folder called program and we select the folder. Then we do right here, yes, I trust the authors. And then right now we are here at the place where we want to be. Because right now, if you can go right here to Claude AI, you see right here this option. And now what we need to do is we need to click right here on Claude AI subscription. Then we do open right here. Then he will send us right here to the web page. And then what you need to do is upgrade to Max or Pro. I don't have Claude AI subscription, so you need to create yourselves right here at this page the Pro license. That will cost you around 15 euros, so around $17 when you are from the US. Then after that, you can link it right here. And then if you go back right here to VSCode and you click right here again on Claude AI, you can use it right here in the chat. But I don't have the Claude AI subscription, but that one is necessary in the last step right here to use it. Then after this, you can use it however you want. And this is how you can use Claude in VSCode. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.